How to download GTA San Andreas from Play Store. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download GTA San Andreas from your Google Play in Android. So first thing, simply open up your Google Play Store and just search in for GTA San Andreas. So once you search in for GTA San Andreas, you can see there are two different versions of GTA San Andreas, which is a definitive edition of GTA San Andreas and a normal edition, which was released way back earlier. So you can get it for $6.99 on Google Play Store, while you can also get GTA San Andreas definitive edition for much higher price, that is $19.99. So just make a payment from over here. Make sure you have enough balance on your credit card or debit card before downloading it from over here, and that is exactly how you can easily download your GTA San Andreas game from the Play Store. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.